If you want to add new apps on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, first of all, we can swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps, and then you can go, for example, to the Play Store. You should be able to find many different apps in here that you can download. Most of them are, of course, for free. And if you keep scrolling down, then you can also find Open on Phone, which can be very convenient because you might just find it more convenient to install apps with the help of your smartphone. But if you decide to use your watch, then you can just tap on this search button here. There's also a list of different categories that you can use in case you are looking for something that can be assigned to one of these categories over there. And if you're looking for something very specific, then you can just type over here, or you can use voice to text, so you can activate the microphone to search for pretty much anything. And then once you find any app that you want to get on your Galaxy Watch 9, so let me use something as an example. So let's say I'm gonna choose this app over here. Then you should be able to find the install button, so you can easily install the selected app on your watch. But like I said, you can also use your smartphone, and while you can use Open on Phone to immediately jump to the Play Store on your phone, if you want to, you can also do this manually. So if you open the Play Store on your smartphone, then over here at the top, you might want to switch to other devices, and you want to make sure that the watch option is selected. Here at the bottom, of course, we can choose between games and apps. So in this case, I'm just gonna go to apps, although we can find games as well. And then here, if you have the watch option selected, then you should be able to find pretty much anything that is available for your Galaxy Watch 9. And then you can easily install the app over here. You might want to tap on this arrow that we have right next to the install button, just to make sure that your Galaxy Watch 9 is selected. And if you want to install something only on your Galaxy Watch 9 and not on your smartphone, for example, then of course here you can uncheck and manage the list of devices on which the selected app should be installed. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.